This 2026 Grand Design Transcend 1151BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 8 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleep 6, smoke detector, spare tire kit, awning, skylight, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, TV, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend 1151BH is 3,550 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.